Hello Linda, this is Jeremy here at G-Force Power Sports. We're servicing your Yamaha Viking today, and from the RO it looks like you wanted us to go over a few things with the Viking while it's in here, just to check, make sure. So the first thing I noticed is the air filter. It's actually extremely dirty. Usually, you know, those things, that's what keeps the dirt out of the unit, and we like to keep those clean because as soon as that starts really getting dirty, the valves will actually start getting tight and you'll get into a lot more work. You can kind of see here on the corner, it's kind of hard to get the light just right. It's kind of clean on the edge, so you can see it used to be a gray filter. It's very dirty, very saturated. The unit's definitely not breathing as well as it should, and we're concerned about the valves at that point. I've inspected the front diff oil. Let's see if I can get in there. Light down, and this Yamaha diff oil actually goes for a long period of time, so when we do see it dark like it is now, we recommend replacing it. Usually even after 100 hours, a lot of times it's still clear, and I notice the unit does have 200 hours on it. Now, as far as the rear diff goes, it's definitely got a leak right there. And that's another thing that can happen with that contaminated oil. The thinner the oil, the easier the leak is. So it's showing itself, you know, that's also, we recommend getting that oil flushed and getting that fixed. The brakes, it's a little hard to see in here, but your brakes actually look really good. These Yamahas, these rotors will get grooved, and you'll hear a lot of noise, but more than likely what it is this oil has contaminated that pad, and it's, you know, decreased your stopping ability on that. Now on the unit, I did notice it's got 2,100 miles and 250 hours. And over here I've pulled up the maintenance. Give me 1 second here, I apologize for that. And in the maintenance intervals, right here, this is your valves to be inspected at 200 hours or 200 miles, 1,500, and then every time after that. And that's one of the reasons that they want you to do that, is because, like I said, with that dirty air filter, those valves can tighten up and it can have very poor performance and can actually damage, and as you can see, spark plugs every time. So we're going to go ahead and recommend a full service today on this. While we got it in here, we can take care of it for you. And I'm going to go ahead and put the parts and the labor to fix the rear diff leak and replace those pads so we can get it stopped and get it safe for everybody. So thank you for your time, Linda, and I will send you this if you want to proceed with the repairs. Give us a call. Thank you.